Today, I will guide you on how to install a side mount garage door opener on a garage door. This video is for demonstration purpose only. Please follow the owner's manual and quick guides included for full instructions. The opener can be installed on either side of the door. First, we will determine which side to do the installation. It depends on the garage door space available. In this video, I will install the opener on the right side of the door. The left side will be the same. To start, we attach the coupler to the shaft of opener, and then tighten the two screws. Now we install the bracket. We need to remove the screw on the opener, insert the bracket and secure with the screw. Now, we mount the opener on the door and tighten the two screws on the coupler. Next, we attach the bracket to the wall with two screws. Attach the emergency release rope. Insert the cable tensioner on the door track, and tighten the two screws, and then insert the rolling wheel on the cable. Install wall console. Connect the wire with the wall console and attach to the wall. Run the wire to the opener and insert it into the marked terminals on the opener. Install safety sensor. Clip the safety sensors to the track and run the wires to the opener and insert to the marked terminals on the opener. Program the travel limits and force. Press and hold the set button until the LED display shows 1. Adjust the closing limits using the down button until you reach the desired position. Press the set button, the display will show 2. Adjust the opening limits by pressing the up button until the door is open to the desired position. Press the set button and display shows 3, and press the wall button or remote to close the door. When the door is closed, the display will show 4. Press the wall button or remote to open the door. This will learn the opening and closing force. The opener will emit a beep sound, and programming is finished. The remote is already paired with opener, and you can use a remote or wall console to operate the garage door.